So it's 36 minutes after midnight, and we are 36 minutes into the new year as a result of that. I want to thank everybody who's viewed my channel and subscribed, and those of you who haven't found me yet but are watching this, you should probably subscribe as well. But I need to start this new year in a different way, and I need to make a few changes. And so, as part of that, I will be doing more technical content. Uh, Look for those to happen. The Twitch streams, nobody goes to them. I'll probably start canceling them so people don't show up and find nothing there. But I also want to make it clear that there are some things that I need to change in my life this year. And so, as a result of that, it might cut into some of my videos or it might actually help with my videos. Depends on how much support I get from the YouTube community and through my Patreon and everything else. I'm going to be reprioritizing time for projects based on the level of support and the type of support that I get. As you can see from the view in front of us here, the top video is the same one that's been top for the last few weeks. And I gotta say that it's been kind of enlightening for me to see something so basic be so popular. It makes me reevaluate what I consider to be normal and kind of reevaluate what I know. And the fact is, I've had this discussion with friends, and they always tell me that I know more than I think I do. And it's becoming readily apparent to me that the knowledge in my head is not normal because I'm a weird one, right? So the end result is that some of the things that I think are just normal, everyday things that everybody knows, clearly people want to learn. And so I'm going to start thinking about that and try to find things that I can do to help. However, I don't want this to be a parasocial relationship either. I don't want to be the guy that's taken advantage of by the community, and I don't want to be the guy that's taking advantage of you. So please like, subscribe, let me know what you actually want to watch, comment. Obviously, there have been and also been an uptick in the negative comments that I've had to remove, but that's expected. I even had one guy make a joke that he was blocking my channel, which was hilarious because I looked at his stuff and blocked him instead because it just wasn't worth it for me. And so the end result is that I'm actually really surprised by the number of subscribers that I have, but I'm also fully aware that not everybody out there is wishing me success. And so if you really want to help out, like, ring the bell, subscribe, let me know through the analytics that I'm watching very closely that you're actually interested. And another thing that I wanted to kind of comment on is the fact that I do see that I have a small minority of viewers that are female who want to learn about engineering. And so I'm just going to go out and say it. Thank you for trusting me. Uh, the fact is, women in tech are, they don't get a lot of mentorship and they don't get a lot of support. And so I would like to think that I'm the sort of guy that anybody can come to and ask questions of and get support from. But I'm also fully aware that there are people that, for whatever reason, aren't getting that. And so I want to thank the like 25, 30 female viewers I have based on the statistics. Uh, Thank you. And if you're one of them, know that you're not alone. And it's appreciated that all of you actually do watch. Um, and so I'm looking at the statistics and I'm trying to figure out what I can do to meet the demand that I'm seeing. And so I'm going to be as data driven about this as possible. I'm going to try not to make the mistake of being metrics driven and not data driven. But you know how that is. But just know that my heart's in the right place and I'm going to try to do the right thing with the strength that I have. So thank you. And as we go into the new year, do what you can to help other people. Let's try to make this a new year of rebirth and rebuilding for everybody, not just ourselves. Thanks.